Hey there, e-commerce friends. In this video I want to show you a simple and quick way on how to do A/B testing or multivariant testing for your YouTube video ads. First of all, I want to give you a little bit of background on how we usually approach our testing. We approach our testing in a manner that we are testing first radically different video concept. A video concept is, for example, I got 3 examples here. So the first one is a testimonial mesh ad. That's where we are using different user-generated assets, for example, video testimonials of our users when they talk about how great the products are, and we want to mesh it up and we want to show them like multiple different videos of our users. A different style could be, or a different concept could be, a selfie ad. For example, the founder or someone in the team will talk about the benefits and about the peaks of the product directly to the camera in a selfie style. Then we have a concept where we are picking 4 specific video testimonials and we will highlight them a little bit longer, or we emphasize more on the people's background and their story, the users' challenges, and then what they really like on those products. So in this example, we want to test those 3 concepts and want to see which one is winning. Before then, in the second stage, like once we have the winning concept, we would then go ahead and also test different variations. For example, would a 2-minute video win over a 3-minute video, and so forth. But then we also test different call to actions at the end or different hooks at the beginning, and we might change some other aspects like the narrator and so forth. So this is variation testing, but that comes at a later stage. So for testing those concepts or anything that you want to test or A/B test, there are interesting tools out there. For example, the AdWords robot is having here the A/B split testing calculator, test calculator, and that's very easy to use. You just have to simply go ahead to your sheets. This is here downloaded directly from the Google Ads platform. And in YouTube, you're getting paid by the views. So we don't want to use the impression here. We are usually using the views that we're going to plug in under visits. So I'm going to do that really quickly. Then in the next step, we want to go ahead and use the conversions to see if we have a winning ad. And this calculator will show us with a confidence score whether or not we have a statistical significant winner. So I'm going to click on calculate winning variant. And boom, here I got the results, and we're also getting an indication on how confident it is based on the data, based if it has enough data or not. So now we're learning that the second or the first variation here has the winning conversion rate, and it's like a clear winner with 1.84%. So in this case, we would go ahead and we would classify our selfie ad concept as the winning concept in our placement campaign, because we're always testing targeting specific. So there are also other tools out there, like you can, for example, look for Google Sheets or Excel calculators. So you can just simply copy paste your data and you can create your own little calculator, and that might be easier. But for this video sake, I just want to show you one quick example for now, and I hope it was helpful and useful for you. So if you want more tips like this one, then please go to our website at wonderads with a u.agency and sign up for our newsletter, where we give you a lot of other free tips and cheat sheets, PDF guides, and so forth. So until the next time, have a great day and talk to you soon. Goodbye.